Alam mo ba that you can actually do dividend investing with cryptocurrency? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how. So yeah, let's go! Hi guys, Yupilo here. Some of you might know me na I'm a dividend investor. However, in the past few videos, if you notice, I've actually created some videos all about investing in cryptocurrency. So I shared on my thoughts about cryptocurrency, tapos yung strategy ko, yung investment strategy ko for this year 2026 when it comes to crypto. And as you notice, one of the ways for you to earn money in cryptocurrency is when the price go up. However, I believe some of you, okay, may not be very comfortable dun sa pag-invest sa crypto. Kasi alam naman natin na investing in crypto is really risky, very volatile. Pwede kang mawala yung pera mo in just a few minutes, seconds, okay? That's why, what if you're still interested in investing in cryptocurrency pero you don't want yung risk, or probably you want a lower risk version in investing in cryptocurrency? Well, that's actually what we're gonna be talking in this video. Kasi I'm gonna share with you how you can actually do dividend investing using cryptocurrency. Kung saan, parang siyang yung Lodi lifestyle natin, kung saan you just put money and you harvest interest or dividends. And it's an option for you na if i-reinvest mo ba siya or you gonna withdraw yung mga interest or dividends mo sa cryptocurrency. So basically, again, yung goal natin is Lodi lifestyle, live on dividends and interest. And regardless if you invest in dividend stocks, in Pag-ibig MP2, in high yield savings, actually cryptocurrency could also be an alternative to achieve yung Lodi lifestyle. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna show you how you can actually do dividend investing in crypto. Let's go! Now, before we formally start, I want to make a quick disclaimer that nothing in this video is financial advice. Very important, especially we're talking about cryptocurrency, very risky. So again, make sure you really do your own due diligence. Now, with that said, let's get started. So for us to do yung dividend investing strategy in cryptocurrency, we need to understand na meron siya lang tinatawag, okay? Most platforms in the cryptocurrency right now, meron tinatawag na earn feature. Again, that's earn feature, meaning kikita ka. So, para siyang bank account kung saan where you put your cryptocurrency, the platform can basically pwede nilang gamitin yan. They can lend it and they earn interest at the same time. Since that's your crypto na nakalagay sa platform nila, they pay you interest in return. So, basically, what you're earning dito sa earn feature is like you're earning interest sa investments mo. Sadly, here in the Philippines, yung mga crypto platform natin like GCash, yung GCrypto, GoCrypto ng GoTime, Maya, CoinsPH, wala pa silang ganitong feature. So hopefully soon magkaroon tayo ng ganitong feature. And that's why in this video I'm gonna share with you some of the platforms I'm using for me to earn, okay, sa cryptocurrency ko. For me to earn interest sa crypto ko. However, again, disclaimer, when it comes to investing in crypto, kahit yung platform, paminsan-minsan, nafa-flag ng SEC, tulad ng Binance, or mawala, tulad ng FTX. So, again, disclaimer, every time you invest, there's always a chance na, number one, mawalugi yung investment mo. Number two, pwede mawala yung platform. Example, like eToro, yung mga PH users, they cannot use the platform anymore. Binance, hindi na pwedeng gamitin. So, very important na when you invest, pwedeng ganun yung mangyari. Now, with that said, let me share with you some of the crypto platforms I'm currently using to do dividend investing strategy with crypto. So, the first platform I'm using is ito, Crypto.com. So, this is the platform that I'm actually also using. And dito, if you notice, meron silang tinatawag na earn feature. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na you can earn interest dun sa mga cryptocurrency mo. So, let's say, for example, you're gonna invest in Bitcoin, you can earn up to 2.5% in interest. So, dito yung gagawin mo sa earn feature is like you can lock it up and then for a certain period of time, pwedeng ganito yung kikitain mo na interest for your Bitcoin. Example naman is Ethereum. If you invest in Ethereum, you can earn like 4% per annum. And then also, meron din mga ibang coins that you can also invest in. So, meron dito Bitcoin, DAI, Algorand, Binance Coin, Cosmos, Harmony. So, if you notice dito, may 12%, may 12%, may 7%, 4.75%. So, ito yung pwede mong kitain sa earn features mo. At the same time, yung pinaka-major na ginagamit ko with Crypto.com is actually talaga yung card nila. So, let me just show you that one. So, Visa prepaid card. So, if you notice dito, so, ito yung isa sa mga gusto ko talaga na benefit nila. So, ito yung major benefit na ginagamit ko for Crypto.com. I actually have the Jade Green card. Okay, Jade Green. And then, dito, yung mga requirements niya. And then, kikita ka din ng 3%, okay, dun sa naka-lock up mo na crypto dito sa platform na to. So, you're gonna actually lock up a crypto called Cronos, and then, you earn like 3%. So, basically, parang may interest din. At the same time, may card ka, and then, yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga na benefit dito sa Jade Green Card is ito, Airport Lounge. Meaning, if you mahilig ka sa travel, and you can actually use yung Airport Lounge. Alright? So, dito, let me just show it to you. So, this is my Crypto.com Metal Visa Card. And by the way, this is metal, so sobrang solid, sobrang ganda. Okay? So, yeah, I really love this card. And yan yung major benefit ko why I have a Crypto.com account. Yung next platform ko naman that I'm using is ito. This is OKX. So, yung Crypto.com, I'm using it mainly for my card, kung saan this is where I spend crypto. But dito, right now, for OKX, actually dito ako bumibili ng crypto. In the sense na, sobrang ganda when it comes to yung mga fees nila. Kung saan, I believe right now, OKX medyo sila yung mababa in terms of fees. Probably I create a separate video kung saan I'm gonna compare yung mga different fees if you invest in mga different platforms. But so far, si OKX dito ako bumibili ng crypto. So again, I buy here in OKX and I spend it dun sa Crypto.com. And good thing dito din with OKX, meron din siyang simple earn feature. So again, kapag earn, it's basically like a bank account. You put your money, you put your investments dito and they can use it. Pwede nilang ipalend and kikita sila ng interest and they give you interest in return. If you notice dito, ito yung pwede mong kitain. So let's say for example, you put money in USDT. So this is like a stable coin, meaning it's like holding dollars, right? Pero in crypto format. So you can earn like 10%. Okay, this is bonus for new users. And then USDC, so pwede kang kikita kapag new user ka. XAUT, this I believe this is gold. So 13%, Bitcoin 5%. So if you notice, mas malaki yung flexible earn feature ni OKX compared dun sa Crypto.com. Ethereum naman, and so on and so forth. So dito marami din silang mga different cryptocurrency that you can earn a good interest. Okay. However, again, disclaimer, make sure to really invest only on cryptocurrency that you are familiar with. Let's say, for example, Luna. Make sure alam mo ano ba yung Luna. Bibigyan ng 39%. Okay? Let's say, for example, eto, Bard, diba? So, make sure, hindi ka lang randomly nag-i-invest ng cryptocurrency because malaki yung interest. Okay? So, you wanna make sure you invest in cryptocurrency that you totally understand. Now, if you want to be very simple lang talaga, like ayaw mo yung mga complicated na ayaw kong magbumili ng mga different cryptocurrency like ito, AXS, ayaw kong bumili ng ganyan, ENG, ayaw kong bumili niyan. I just wanna put money and then kikita ng interest. So, actually, pwede ka rin dito sa OKX Pay nila. So, OKX Pay, basically, this is like GCash. Okay? So, yung OKX, exchange, this is where you buy your cryptocurrency. Pero may features din sila na meron silang OKX Pay. So, this one similar with Crypto.com na may card din sila and you can pay it. But yung idea kasi with the OKX Pay is like para siyang GCash kung saan you put your money and kikita ka ng interest. So, ito example, yung stable coins mo. So, let's say for example, you buy or you convert yung pera mo from peso to USD and you place it dito. So, parang meron kang dollar account. So, this is a good way also to diversify kasi right now, yung value ni dollar, mas lumaki yung value ni dollar, like 60 pesos per $1, diba? So, this is like having a dollar account na you also earn through the increase in price ng dollar. So, dito you can earn up to 10% interest on your dollar account. But then again, depending on your tier. So, let me just show you yung mga different tiers. Actually, meron kasi yung mga different tiers. But, let's say, let me check where that is. So, okay, here it is. So, ito yung mga rewards on your USDG. So, USDG, basically, this is the US dollar crypto na US dollar account. So, if you notice dito, if you're just a regular user, you can earn like 4% on your first $10,000. If you're a VIP, 6%, VIP 2, 8%, or VIP 3+, that's 10% on your first $10,000. So, yeah, para kang you just putting your money in a bank account, in a dollar account, and you earn these rates while saving or putting your money in cryptocurrency. So yeah, those are the ways, one of the very simple ways to actually do dividend investing or like earning interest sa cryptocurrency investments mo. Now, if wala ka pang account sa mga different platforms when it comes to cryptocurrency, I'll put the link down in the description. You can choose to create an account in Crypto.com or OKX. And if you use my link, you'll get some benefits in return. So yeah, go ahead and check out yung links to support this channel. Now, if you're wondering, ano ba yung mga different strategies when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency? O ano ba yung personal strategy ko when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency? Well, I actually have the perfect video for that. You can check out this next video kung saan I share dito ano yung investment strategy ko for this year 2026. So yeah, go ahead and check out this next video and I'll see you there.